Kerul ho angami contractor proprietor of KKB laga issue ja thaka opoti NSN GPRN Kango group khan kile tai khan capital punishment issue kri dishe itu opor clarify kri dia ase. National Security Council NCS of NSN GPRN Kango press release team group khan 2 sal opor patient kurgena aja sheko ase kili KKB khan pasta project ti 5 lakh he contribute kudigina thaka nimite ko ase itu karni group khan tu bishibar chamla opor fesla kurlo bole khushish kurgena aja sholipi napara ho jagina contractor bra tu integrity of NSN GPRN ke opor question kura eklan hogina government opor provocatively challenge kurgena non cooperation karni ki necessary action thakibole ase kurivi ko gena koida issue ti contractor laga provocation karni NSN yazabo hesabti consequences capital punishment aja sheko ase kile individual position choto dangor thaklepi NSN GPRN opor phutani kotha kobole right na thakya nimite koi dia ase. Press statement ti AYO khan to contractor aro NSN GPRN macheti relationship na janigina support kura ase itu karni contractor bra nijor statement opor khara kurlo bole digina AYO khan to itu chamlate affair na kurbole koi dia ase kili individual kun holipi lo nijor laga hatte loigena government challenge kule yazabo hesab action uthabole thakyan mite koi dia ase. Aro NSN GPRN Kanko group khan laga release ti AYO khan tu ekjon karni ki laga authority loigena government challenge kura ase kogena hutia ase aro dispute fesla na kura takti immediate effect loigena AYO under contractor khan tu manpower machinery alag district ti deploy kurgena choli thakya khan sob demobilize kurlo bole directed kuri dia ase. Lok Sabha ti Manipur Congress MP Alfred Author emotionally challenged speech logina Prime Minister Modi opor urge kur thaka tu Manipur state visit kurbole koi digena Manipur state ti nijor bosti gor wapas kurbole na pargena maki bacha khan iman kanti thaka tu kile Prime Minister Modi itu khan hunibole na pare kogena question uthai dia ase. Kile state te ekta community khan bra tu itu conflict ula thaka tu li ekjon brahi ase koi thakya chief minister brapi alag 49 members thakya ase aro kile ekjon replace kurbole na pare kogina hutia ase aro choto state te peace maintain kurbole na parshe koili kinika iman dangor country te peace maintain kurbole parbo kogina prime minister opor hutilo ase. Khobor te Dimapur district excise duty party khan July 29 tarik goods truck ekta UP registered number UP 32 ATG 2668 Jarna Pani Chumokidimati check kurgena 415 case of India made foreign liquor alu bag under load kurgena aithaka recover kulo sheko ase aro investigation ti IMFL contraband toli Arunachal Pradesh Bender Diva te load kurgena aija sheko ase aro gari driver through logena detail investigation rakhi thakya report dia ase. Nagaland State Governor bra 1st of August bra toli single use plastic ban kulobo kogena jonai dia ukhoti Akash Dipnath main distributor of packaged drinking water Dimapur issue opor koi thakya tu iman tam na digina achanak issue kri dia tu digdar ho jase ko ase kili poisa bishi invest kogena thakya nimite koi dia ase. Sharma wholesaler of packaged drinking water and soft drinks Jess Road statement ti August 1st tarik agete tai 1 liter stock thakya khan pikabole parbo na nai kogena koi ase aro soft drinks and packaged drinking water bishibhag Assam state ti bunai thakya Nagaland state te ban kurse koili neighboring state te dam namai jabole highly chances thakya koi dia ase. Kerala state bra ekta dangor afsos khobor pa thakya sabti ja kali phujor gumai thakya damti monsoon season karni landslide hatsa ulai jagena Wenant region te manu murija tu 123 jon murija shekogena latest update dia ase aro report di thakya sabti casualty increase hobo nishna ase kogena rescue operation continue rakhi loi ase.